Are you ready to transform your property into a thriving vacation rental? Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to enhance your current operations, our comprehensive course, Mastering Vacation Rentals, Start, Manage, and Thrive in the Rental Business, is designed to equip you with the skills and strategies for success. This 5-section course covers every aspect of vacation rental management, starting with Section 1, Vacation Rental Success Blueprint, from dream to destination, where you'll learn how to select the perfect location, navigate legal requirements, and design a guest-centric property that stands out. From there, we'll dive into other sections that cover guest service excellence, discover how to build lasting guest relations and exceed expectations at every touchpoint, financial management and pricing strategies, master the art of budgeting, pricing, and maximizing profitability, health, safety, and sustainability. Ensure your property is compliant, eco-friendly, and safe for every guest. Marketing and online visibility. Craft compelling listings, optimize your website, and create a marketing plan that drives bookings. Property management and automation. Streamline your daily operation with the latest tools and strategies. Each section is packed with actionable insights, real-world examples, and proven techniques. Plus, if you sign up for the full course, you'll gain exclusive access to bonus interviews with top industry experts like Mark Lupkin, Sales Director at STR Cribs, Airbnb Design and Vacation Rental Renovation Specialist, Dan Roberge from Maintenance Care, Interior Design Specialist, Stacy Garcia, Andy De Silva, owner of Hotel Emporium, Bob Brown, aka the Dirt Whisperer, a foundation expert, and Mark Ross Smith, CEO and co-founder of Loyalty Data Co. These insights are your key to staying ahead in this competitive industry. This isn't just another course. It's your roadmap to creating a vacation rental business that thrives. Sign up today for the Mastering Vacation Rentals, Start, Manage, and Thrive course to receive lifetime access to this self-paced course, complete with downloadable templates, interactive tools, and a vacation rental certificate upon completion. Plus, you'll gain exclusive strategies to elevate your guests' experience and grow your business sustainably. Join now to start your journey to vacation rental success and turn your dream into reality. Don't hesitate. Your guests are already waiting for you.